what masculine desires, right? It's conquest, right? Order by definition is conquering this area. Like, now it's mine, right? I've gone into the chaos and I've brought Vidal's or Lewis's or Dwayne's order to it, because it's all going to look like different order. But the feminine, and that's, you could call it a form of completion, right? Sort of like if you think about how men have sex, and then from all this force to, right? And that's like the most like observable depiction of how the masculine operates. Go, 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 go. Then in this state of just like completion, so to speak. And then we have a gap time, and then back, go, 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 conquered, completion, go, 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 completion. And I say that because the feminine isn't like that. If you think about how women experience sex, they're riding a wave of infinite sort of until they pass out or something. Like, unless they, like, it's not this then like tap outness is not in the same way that a guy is, because they don't get hard. It's not a hardness looking to conquer. It's just, I'm just enjoying every range of experience, negative or positive. Hence I find a woman like just randomly go read through a sad Facebook post for no reason. Like, I'm like, well, why would you even want to be sad? Like,
all the women who love NCIS and all those negative, watching people died and murdered. That's all they do is just run those on repeat.
And then claim they hate it. I hate it, but I love it. Right. And so the range is just, the feminine is just infinite change, where the masculine is more, there's like a urge to be free of constraint. So like when you come, it's like, all right. Now, but if you don't, like if you build up, and then you don't get to, or you, for some reason you don't, men often feel, unless you've trained yourself and whatnot, you feel like incomplete. They're like, which sometimes is described as blue balls or something. It's like, I didn't get to release, and so it's, I wouldn't say it's not about the experience, but it's not about the experience as much as a woman. Like a feminine is all about whatever the experience is.
Right.